So students, just now we have discussed about imperative sentences and auxiliary types of sentences, and we have discussed that how to convert these sentences into a passive voice. Okay, then in the previous lectures we have discussed all types of tenses and that how to convert these tenses from the active voice into a passive voice. Okay, all this part we have discussed into the previous some lectures, and today we have discussed imperative sentences and auxiliary types of sentences. Now let's revise this part. Okay, are you ready for that, students? Okay, so as I will ask you the formulas, I hope that all of you will, not a hope, I request you all of you that you should say it loudly. You should tell this formula loudly. Okay, though I am not able to listen you, but you should say it loudly. Okay, as I am going to ask you the formulas. Understand, students? Are you ready for this? Okay, all of you are ready, students? Let's revise then. Can I start? Okay. So our first tense is simple present, yeah, and simple past tense. Okay. First, simple present tense. Look at here, students. What is the formula of simple present tense? Already we have discussed in a previous lecture. What is the formula of simple present tense, students? Remembered? Then say it loudly, everyone. Yes, very good. Subject plus verb plus object is equal to object plus is MR plus past participle of the verb plus by plus subject. Okay, this is a formula of simple present tense. Very nice, students. Okay, say it loudly again. Subject plus verb plus object is equal to object plus is MR plus past participle of the verb plus by plus subject. This is a formula of a simple present tense. Okay, and look at the sentence from the simple present tense. Ram writes a letter. Okay, which is the sentence? Ram writes a letter. Now students, tell me in this sentence which is the subject. Okay, very good. Say it loudly. Which is the subject? Very nice. Ram. Which is the verb? Say it loudly. Writes. Nice. Then a letter. What is a letter in this sentence? Very good. This is the object. So Ram writes a letter. This sentence is from active voice. How it will come into the passive voice then? A letter is written by Ram. Object plus is MR plus V3 plus by plus subject. Ram writes a letter will come here. Letter is written by Ram. Very good, students. Ram writes a letter. It will come like this. A letter is written by Ram. Okay. So our first tense just now we have discussed simple present tense. We have revised here already, we have discussed. Okay. Now which is the next tense? Simple past tense. So tell me the formula everyone loudly of the tense simple past tense into a passive voice. What is the formula? Yes, say it loudly everyone. Very good. Subject plus verb plus object is equal to object plus to was verb plus V3 plus by plus subject. This is a formula of simple past tense. Very nice, students. Repeat it again everyone. Subject plus verb plus object is equal to object plus was verb plus V3 plus by plus subject. Very nice. Now look at here, only one change is there in a simple present and simple past tense. What is this change? Do you know the change? Which change is there? Yes, change in to be's. In present tense we use to be's is MR, and in past we use to be's was and were. Okay, that change only in a simple present tense and simple past tense. So take the same example into the past tense. Ram wrote a letter. Okay, in present tense we that took the example Ram writes a letter, and this example how it is into the simple past tense. Ram wrote a letter. Look at the change into a tense. Okay, writes Look at the change into the verb. Writes in the simple present tense, wrote into the simple past tense. Okay, means according to the that tenses, there become the changes into a verb. Okay, so Ram wrote a letter. This sentence is from simple past tense. Okay, again tell me students, what is the formula of simple past tense? Yes, subject plus verb plus object is equal to object plus was verb plus V3 plus by plus subject. And say it loudly, everyone. Everyone say the formulas loudly. Okay, already you have noted down in your notebook. So say it loudly. Okay, how this sentence will come into the passive voice? Again tell me the subject. Which is the subject? Say it loudly. Ram. Which is the verb? Okay, wrote. And which is the object? A letter. Very good. So convert into the passive voice then according to the formula. What is our formula? Object a letter, then to be was, then V3 written, then by plus subject. So a letter was written by Ram. Ram wrote a letter. This sentence from active voice is in a passive voice like this. A letter was written by Ram. Very good. Very nice students. Okay. All you are doing very well. Okay. Clear everyone? Simple present tense and simple past tense. Okay. Now next tense is continuous present tense and continuous past tense. Now first of all, tell me what is a to be of continuous present tense. Say it loudly, everyone. What is a to be of continuous present tense? Say it loudly. Yes, very good. Say it loudly then. Subject plus verb plus object is equal to object plus is MR plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. This is a to be of continuous present tense. Very good student. Okay. Say it again. Subject plus verb plus object is equal to object plus is MR plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. This is a to be of continuous present tense. Okay, take a same example into a continuous present tense. Ram is writing a letter. Okay, now tell me which is the subject from this sentence, friends. Say it loudly, everyone. Which is the subject in this sentence? Okay, which is the subject? Very good. Which one? Yes, Ram. Verb is writing and object a letter. Okay, very nice. Now convert it into the passive voice. How it will come in a passive voice then? According to the formula. Are you doing? Yes. How it will come? Already sent that sentence is in front of you. Is it there correct according to the formula? Is it correct according to the formula? Okay, is it correct, students? Yes, it is a correct. Ram is writing a letter. How it will come into the passive voice? A letter is being written by Ram. Okay, Ram is writing a letter. It will come like this. A letter is being written by Ram. Very good. Now, what is the next tense? Continuous past tense. Okay, which is the next tense? Continuous past tense. Now students, tell me the formula of continuous past tense. What is the formula? Yes, say it loudly then. Yes, very good. Subject plus verb plus object is equal to object plus which to be's are there then? Was verb plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. Very nice student. Say it again then. Subject plus verb plus object is equal to object plus was verb plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. Very good. Okay, so this is a formula of continuous past tense. Now look at the example from the continuous past tense. Ram was writing a letter. Okay, what is the example? Ram was writing a letter. Okay, how it will come into the passive voice then? A letter was being written by Ram. Okay, according to the formula, how it will come? A letter was being written by Ram. Is it there correct according to the formula? Yes, this is a definitely correct. object plus was verb plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. So Ram was writing a letter. It will come like this. A letter was being written by Ram. Clear everyone? And students, have you noticed one thing? Which thing? That I have taken the same example into all types. Okay, I have taken the same example for the conversion into the all types of the sentences. Yeah, all types of the tenses. Okay, it will clearly noticeable the changes into the all types. Okay, so here we have discussed now simple present and past tense and continuous present tense and continuous past tense. Okay, now let us see the another sentences. Okay, which tense is now here? That perfect present and perfect past tense. Okay, perfect present and perfect past tense. Okay, are you ready then? Okay, what is the formula of perfect present tense then? What is the formula of perfect present tense, students? Who will tell me? Yes, you are correct. I know that. Say it loudly then. Okay, what is the formula? Everyone say it loudly. Subject plus verb plus object is equal to object plus have has plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. Okay, this is a formula of perfect present tense. Okay, say it again. Subject plus verb plus object is equal to object plus have has plus V3 plus have has plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. Okay, this is a formula of perfect present tense. Okay, now let us see the example. Ram has written a letter. Okay, Ram has written a letter. Okay, here Ram is a subject, which is a verb, then has written, and a letter is here object. Okay, now how it will come into the passive voice, students? How it will come? Yes, a letter has been written by Ram. Ram has written a letter. It will come like this. A letter has been written by Ram. Okay, everyone? Yes. Now, clear this tense, perfect present tense. Okay. How to convert the sentence from the perfect present tense into a passive voice according to the formula. Now, next, Ram had written a letter. This sentence is in which tense, students? Ram had written a letter. This sentence is in which tense? Okay, remembered? Yes, absolutely correct. This sentence is from perfect past tense. Ram had written a letter. This sentence is from perfect past tense. Then how it will come into the first of all, tell me the formula of perfect past tense then. Yes, say it loudly, everyone. Very good. Subject plus verb plus object is equal to object plus had plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. Okay, this is the formula of perfect past tense. Say it again. Subject plus verb plus object is equal to object plus had plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. This is a formula of perfect past tense. So Ram had written a letter. How it will come into the passive voice? A letter had been written by Ram. Okay. Ram had written a letter. It will come like this. A letter had been written by Ram. Clear, everyone? Okay. So here Ram is a subject. Had written is a verb. A letter is a object. Ram had written a letter. It will come like this. A letter had been written by Ram. Okay. Now next types of the sentences. Which one? Imperative types of sentences. That part just we have discussed. Okay. Imperative types of sentences. What is the formula of the imperative types of sentences then? Just we have discussed this part. What is the formula? Yes. Okay. Have you know? I know you know the formula and also you have mentioned in your notebook. So say it loudly. What is the formula of imperative sentences? Very good. Verb plus object is equal to let plus object plus be plus past participle of the verb. Okay. Verb plus object is equal to let plus object plus be plus past participle of the verb. Okay. Now look at here the sentence write a letter. Here write is a verb and which is object? Which is object, students? Yes, say it loudly then. A letter, very good. Write is a verb and a letter is a object. So write a letter, how it will come into the passive voice? Yes, let a letter be written. Object plus, sorry, let plus object plus be plus V3. Let a letter be written. Write a letter will come like this. Let a letter be written. Very good, students. All of you have that revised all this part very properly. Okay, and as per my instructions, you followed my instructions and participated actively into this. But one more thing, that we will revise the only formulas one more time. Okay, are you ready then? And all of you, though you are from the 6th standard, though you are from the 7th standard, and though you are from the 8th standard, everyone should say it loudly, all the formulas according to the tenses. Okay, and these formulas purposely I have not mentioned on my screen because I want to check that have you remembered all these formulas. Okay, are you recalling this part? Okay, so first, which tense, students? Yes, very good. Simple present tense. What is the formula then? Say it loudly. Yes, say it loudly, everyone. Subject plus verb plus object is equal to object plus is MR plus V3 plus by plus subject. Very nice. Okay. Then which tense, students? Okay, continuous present tense. What is the formula of continuous present tense? Subject plus verb plus object is equal to, say it loudly everyone. Subject plus verb plus object is equal to object plus is MR plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. Very nice, students. Okay, now perfect present tense. What is the formula of perfect present tense, students? Say it loudly again. Subject plus verb plus object is equal to object plus have has plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. Okay, this is the formula of perfect present tense. Cleared, everyone? Now which tense, students? Very good. Simple past tense. What is the formula of simple past tense? Very nice. Subject plus verb plus object is equal to object plus was verb plus V3 plus by plus subject. Everyone say it loudly. Everyone participate in this activity. Okay, in this recording activity, and you should say it loudly, everyone. Okay, now next tense. Which is the next tense, students? Say it loudly. Yes, continuous past tense. And what is the formula of continuous past tense? Say it loudly then. Subject plus verb plus object is equal to object plus was verb plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. Very good. Okay, are you enjoying, students? Okay, and are you recalling all the formulas? No? Very nice. Now next tense, which one? Yes, you are correct. Perfect present tense. Okay, and what is the formula of perfect past tense? And what is the formula of perfect past tense? What is the formula? Yes, very good. Subject plus verb plus object is equal to object plus had plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. Very nice. This is the formula of perfect past tense. Very good. Okay, now one tense is remain here. Okay, which one? Simple future tense. What is the formula of simple future tense then? Subject plus verb plus object is equal to, say it loudly everyone, object plus Shalia will plus be plus V3 plus by plus subject. Okay, this is the formula of simple future tense. Clear? And last tense, perfect future tense. What is the formula of the perfect future tense, students? Yes, say it loudly, everyone. Already we have discussed, already you have mentioned in your notebook. Say it loudly then. Subject plus verb plus object is equal to object plus Shalia will plus have plus been plus V3, okay, plus by plus subject. This is the formula of perfect future tense. Very good, students. Okay, and last imperative sentence, verb plus object is equal to let plus object plus be plus pp. Yeah, v3 form of the verb. This is the formula of imperative sentences. And one is remained auxiliary types of sentences. What is the formula of auxiliary types of sentences then? Yes, subject plus verb plus object is equal to object plus auxiliary verb plus be plus v3 plus by plus subject. This is the formula of auxiliary types of sentences. Very good, students. All you have repeated with me all the formulas, and I that want to tell you that you should make a chart of these formulas of the tenses also, and formulas of the interchange of voice. Do the chart, make the chart, and every day you should revise at once these both charts. Okay, it will definitely helpful you for to improve your English grammar. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.